Hi, in this video we are going to do the multiplication of a 2-digit number with another 2-digit number by using one method. What is that method? Crisscross method. Crisscross method. And also we can apply this method to 3-digit by 3-digit and 4-digit by 4-digit, 5-digit by 5-digit number. Okay? Yes. For this, for 2-digit numbers, we are going to do the multiplication within 3 steps. For 3-digit numbers, we are going to do the multiplication within 5 steps. This one within 7 steps, this one within 9 steps. Remember like this, 2 plus 1, just below the number, just below to 1. Remember, for remembering only I am saying here, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 4, 9. Remember like this. For remembering the steps only, I said this one, no logic is there. Yes. Yes, today we are going to do the multiplication of a 2-digit number with another 2-digit number and also a 3-digit number with another 3-digit numbers. We will see the 4 digits and 5 digits in the next video. Yes, why? Because it takes a lot of time, so that I am going to do only for these digits only. Okay, I will take a 2-digit number and another 2-digit number here. For example, I am taking 56 into 30. Yes, this one can be done within 3 steps now here. For that, I draw the dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and for the second step, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, here I have drawn the dots here. Why? Because here these two consider as 5, 6 and these two consider as 1, 3. Here for the steps only I have drawn 3. 3 steps we need, so that 3 times I have drawn. Okay? Yes. In the first step what we do? Multiply the first column digits. That means 5 ones are. Next, in the second step what we do? Do the multiplication, cross multiplication of first and second column digits. Next, in the third step, multiply the digits of second column. Okay. Now, let us see how to do the multiplication. First step, 5 and 1. Multiply 5 and 1. And write here, 5 ones are 5. Take slash here. And second step, here, cross multiplication of 1 and 2 columns. 5 3s are 15. And 6 ones are 6. After getting products here, what we do? Add up them. Okay? Yes, 21. 21 is the answer here. Yes. For every step, we are taking here slash. Okay? Why we have to take slash? I will say that. First, see here, next one. Last step. Multiply these 2 digits. Okay? 6 3s are 18. Next here. This is not answer. Actually, for general multiplication, we take three lines, 3 steps. Here we are going to write within 2 steps. Yes, here we got 2 digits, so that we have to write the next step also. For example, if we got like this, this is the final answer. Why? Because here we got single digits, but here 2 digits for every slash, here and here. So, we have to simplify them, balance them. Balancing means carryovers. We have to take these one, carry over here, and here after getting this one also we need to carry over if it is needed. Okay, here first write 8 ones place and carry over 1 to the next column. Yes, carry over this 1 to the next column, and here we consider 2 1 as a single number, 21. So 21 plus 1, 22. Again we got 22 2 write down, and this 2 carry over the number 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. What is the final answer? Yes, 728 is the final answer. Okay children? Okay? Yes. We'll see. One more. For example, here, to get the single digits, I will take small numbers here. Here I take another one, not 2. Okay, already we have here 2, so that I have changed here. Yes, first step, multiply these two first column digits. 1 4 is 4. Next, cross multiplication of 1 and 2. 1 3 is 3, and plus 4 2 is 8. Here 11. Okay, next, cross multiplication of last column digits. 2 3 is 6 here. Here also we got double digits. So we have to write in other step. Here 6 as easily write down. Why? Because here only one digit is there. So no need to take carryovers. Here 11. So that write this one down and this one carry over to the next column. 4 plus 1, 5. Then what is the answer? 516 is the final answer. Let us take any 2 3-digit numbers. Here, first step, we have to multiply the first column digits. 2 ones are 2. Take slash. Next, second step, cross multiplication of first and second columns. That means 1 3 is 3 plus 5 2 is 10. After getting products, add up them. Here 5 2 is 10 and 3 1 is 3. What is the sum? 13 here. Right, 13. Next, in the third step, what we have to do? Use 3 column digits here. 1 4 is 4. Cross multiplication of 1 and 3. 1 4 is 4. Next, 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. And also middle column also. 5 3 is 15. Add all those products. 15 and 19, 23. Yes, next, fourth step, what we have to do? Take second and third column digits and do the cross multiplication. 5 4 is 20 and 3 2 is 6. 26. Yes, finally sixth one. Now sixth step, take the last column digits and do the multiplication. 2 4 is 8. 1 2 3 4 means 4 steps have finished. This is the fifth step. Yes. Here 5 slashes are there, 4 slashes are there and 5 parts are there. So 5 steps. We have done 5 steps. Okay. Next, first write this 8 as easily down. Why? Because we got here only one digit. Next, here we have 2 digits. For 2 digits, what we have to do? This is not final answer. Why? Because here we got 2 digits now. We have got 2 digits now. Yes. So we have to make them balance. Means carry over. Take carry over. Okay. Here 2 6 means write 6 as easily. Next, carry over to the next column. Next, here 23 plus 2. 23, 2 and 3, take them as single number. That means 23. 23 plus 2, 25. Yes, 5 down and 2 carry over to the next column. 13 plus 2, 15. 5 down and 1 carry over to the next column. Next, 2 plus 1, 3. Here write 3. What is the final answer? 35,568. This is the final answer. Let us take one more example here. Let us see one more example. Here if you observe, for the first column we use only one column digits. For the second step we use only 2 column digits. For the third step, we use 3 column digits. For the fourth step, we use again 2 column digits. For the fifth step, again we use only 1 column digit. But here if you observe, third one is the middle one. In the middle one, we use all the column digits. For the fourth one, yes, we do the multiplication reversely to the second one. That means reversely means here we have left here third column digits. Here we are going to leave first column digits. And fifth one is reversed to first one. From the last we have to do. That means there we have left here first 2 column digits. Here we have left last 2 column digits. Yes, let us come to our process here. First multiply the first column digits. 5 9s are 45. 45 here. Next, cross multiplication of first and second. 5 zeros are 0, 9 twos are 18. 0 plus 18. What is the answer? 18 itself. Next, cross multiplication of 1 and 3 columns and straight multiplication, second one. Yes, 5 fours are 20 and 9 threes are 27 and 2 zeros are 0. Then what is the answer here? 47. Next, fourth step. Here cross multiplication of second and 3. 4 twos are 8 plus 0 threes are 0. 8 plus 0, 8. Next, final step. Multiply the last column digits. Means 3 fours are 12. Here we write 2 as easily here down, and here second digit is the 1, and this one carry over to the next column. If we get 2 digits, what we have to do? Balance the, yes, balancing rule. We use balancing rule, means balance the digits here. 1 carry over to the next column. Balancing means carry over means why? While doing sum, what we do? Yes, when we get 2 digits, there also we take carryovers now. Similarly, here also we are going to take carryovers. Here 1 carry over to the next column, 8 plus 1, 9. For carrying, any other digit is here? No. Then write this 7 down, and this 4 will be carry over to the next column, and 18 plus 4, 22. 2 down and 2 carry over to the next column. 45 plus 2, 47. 4,72,792 is the answer here. If you do practicing, then you can do these problems by using this method within less time. Okay. In the next video, we will see the 4-digit numbers and 5-digit numbers. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share this video. Bye. Thank you.